Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on zoom animations on your account on Telegram easy and quick. First click on the three lines here, now click settings, now click shot settings, and now click animations, and here you will find it, animations in shots, and here you will find zoom animations. Click on it and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on zoom animations easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.